One very common and simple test for water quality is turbidity. Turbidity is the level of cloudiness in a water column as a result of large numbers of particles that individually would be invisible to the naked eye. These particles could be organic or inorganic in nature. High turbidity can increase water temperature as the particles absorb more heat. This increase in heat can affect water pH, which in turn affects how well any chlorine in the water will kill pathogenic organisms. Turbidity particles will also attract free chlorine ions, thus reducing the concentration of free chlorine. The World Health Organization suggests a turbidity level of less than 5 NTUs for drinking water safety when used in conjunction with a free chlorine reading of 0.2 milligrams per litre. Measurement using the DelAgua Jackson tube is simple. Push both halves of the Jackson tube together, ensuring the black O-ring is not disturbed from its groove, and fill the tube completely from the water source you wish to test. Look down the tube to view the black circle. If the circle is visible, then take the reading from the calibrated graduations on the side of the tube. If the circle is not visible, tip a small amount out of the tube and repeat the process. Continue this process until the circle is visible. Visibility of the circle in a full tube indicates a turbidity of less than 5 NTUs. Some water samples will be obviously turbid. The difference between a turbid and non-turbid sample can be seen here. In the case of a clearly turbid sample, it is better to reverse the process. Take a sample cup of water and tip a small amount into your empty DelAgua Jackson tube and look to view the circle. If the circle is visible, then add a little more water until it disappears. At the point the circle disappears, take the reading from the calibrated graduation at the point you could last see the circle.